good evening. What's going on, YouTube family? It's KB. Welcome to the channel. Today, I decided to do a little video on, I'm doing some upgrades on my boat. And one of my upgrades is, been having trouble out of this power plug leading to my trolling motor. That plug right there. This ain't about nothing here, man. This thing, one day I was out there fishing and I looked at my remote and my remote was blank and I heard a beep. Trolling motor was off. Then I kind of touched it. It came back on. But my feet be bumping this. But I know that ain't the problem because I don't really touch it all the time. It's just water and stuff getting here. This plug here ain't about nothing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to install this. This is a MKR-28 by Minnkota. Real heavy duty. Real good plug. So I won't be losing power. Come with a dust cap, or whatever you want to call it. I got shrink wrap. You let fittings. There's fittings called furls or whatever you want to call them. And we're gonna install this baby and see what it do. So stay tuned. We're gonna disconnect the power to the trolling motor before we get started. Stay tuned. I just disconnect the negative from the battery leading to it, so it ain't got no power right now. And we about to get up here and cut this and see what we got. We're gonna double check that trolling motor. I'm cutting the power on. No power, no light, no nothing. So we good. We ain't gotta worry about blowing nothing out. So we good right now. Stay tuned. First of all, I'm gonna cut this. Cut it about right here. We just cut that off. We're gonna slice that. Got that slice, so stay tuned. We're gonna take this off and see what we got. Stay tuned. Put it on now. Wait, you know. I'm gonna put my shrink wrap first. Don't forget to put that first, or you're gonna be starting all over. Got this snug on now. I'm gonna do this end, the negative side, and I'm gonna get right back with y'all. Stay tuned. We're gonna clean this up. I'm about to put this plate right here. Took out the old one. The hole was perfect, so I ain't gotta drill another hole. Got one of those boys passing in the neighborhood, one of them loud cars. Y'all excuse that noise. Alright, what we gonna do? I got that silicone down. Now I'm finna put these screws in. I'm gonna get these other two in, and I'm gonna get back with y'all. I got this cap on here. Dust cap protection or whatever. I went on and put that on now, because you never know when I'll have to take that off. But I'm putting these ends together, and then I'm gonna shrink wrap it. We're gonna have this part did. Think I got that on there real snug. On this end, I had to use this other one because that wire was huge. So I had to use this type of deal, because that negative wire, it was huge. Look how different it is from now. Those people that installed that did that. But we're gonna make it work. I'm gonna get this on here. I'm gonna get right back with y'all. Stay tuned. I got these watertight. And nothing to tie in the top piece. Stay tuned. Now I'm about to put this other clamp on here. Shrink wrap first. this end. Put it on this end. Yes, sir. Go get this one. Then go come back. Check it out. Take it. Shrinking it up. We're gonna put some power on it and do a test and see what we got. We're gonna hook these batteries back up. Stay tuned. Putting the negative back on. Let's see if I got power on the trolling motor. We got power. Now we're gonna test it with the remote. Stay tuned. I got power. See the green light on? Now I'm gonna see what I got. Oh yeah. I'm ready. Hey man, this country boy. I got another upgrade I'm gonna do, and what I'm gonna do, might as well show y'all. I'm taking these off. It's old school. I got the ratchets, and we're gonna install those. But it's dark out here. Try to go fishing more, so hey man, I appreciate y'all watching, and I think they took care of my problem. So I'll be dropping a video. I'm gonna go fishing tomorrow, and I'll be dropping a video. But hey man, do your boy a favor, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel if you're not with the family, the Country Boy family already. I appreciate it. I appreciate all the subscribers I got now, and wishing y'all a happy holiday. I know I ain't been putting out no video lately because I got a little small business. I bake, so I've been getting orders out. You know, I've been baking since I was 14, so that's my little side hustle. But hey man, give your boy a thumbs up, and I I appreciate you watching the channel and all the love. I catch y'all on that water. Peace.